Hello, fellow garden enthusiasts. Have you ever dreamt of stepping outside and picking a fresh, sun-ripened orange right from your own tree? Well, today, we're going to turn that dream into a delicious reality. Growing oranges in your backyard is incredibly rewarding, and it might be easier than you think. First things first, let's talk about choosing the perfect orange tree for your space. Varieties like Valencia are excellent for juicing, while navel oranges are wonderful for fresh eating. Consider dwarf varieties if you have a smaller garden or plan to grow in a container. Your climate is a huge factor. Most citrus trees thrive in USDA zones 9-11, where winters are mild. Research which specific orange types perform best in your local conditions to ensure success. Picking the right tree sets the foundation for years of sweet harvests. Now, let's find the ideal spot for your new tree. Orange trees absolutely love sunlight, so choose a location that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sun daily. Good drainage is crucial to prevent root rot, so avoid areas where water tends to pool. Prepare your soil by amending it with organic matter like compost. This improves drainage, aeration, and nutrient retention. Orange trees prefer slightly acidic to neutral soil with a pH between 6.0 and 7.0. A soil test can help you determine if amendments are needed. The best time to plant your orange tree is in the spring or early summer, once the danger of frost has passed. Dig a hole that is as deep as the root ball and twice as wide. Carefully remove the tree from its nursery container, being gentle with the roots. Place the tree in the center of the hole, ensuring the root collar, where the trunk meets the roots, is level with or slightly above the surrounding soil. Backfill the hole with your prepared soil, gently tamping it down to remove air pockets. Water thoroughly immediately after planting. Proper watering is key, especially during the tree's first year. Keep the soil consistently moist, but never waterlogged. As the tree matures, deep watering once or twice a week during dry periods is usually sufficient. Observe your tree. Wilting leaves are a sign it needs water. For fertilization, use a specialized citrus fertilizer that provides essential micronutrients like iron, zinc, and manganese. Follow the product instructions carefully, typically feeding 3 to 4 times a year. A balanced feeding regimen supports healthy growth and abundant fruit production. Pruning helps maintain the tree's shape, improves air circulation, and encourages fruit production. Remove any dead, damaged, or crossing branches. You can also thin out the canopy to allow more sunlight to reach the inner branches. Keep an eye out for common citrus pests like aphids, scale, and citrus leaf miners. Regularly inspect your leaves and stems. Often, a strong spray of water can dislodge many pests. For persistent issues, organic solutions like neem oil or insecticidal soap are effective and safe for your garden. The most exciting part, harvesting! Oranges typically ripen in late fall through winter, depending on the variety and your climate. They don't continue to ripen once picked, so wait until they are fully colored and taste sweet before harvesting. Enjoy the fruits of your labor immediately or store them for later. By choosing the right variety, providing good soil and plenty of sun, and offering consistent care, you'll soon be enjoying your very own backyard harvest. Happy gardening!